Hello, namaste, good evening. I'm gonna let the people come in, trickle in. Hi Sunil, hi Sayam, hi Shashi, hi Writer Bird, hi Ayush, hi Aditi. Hello everyone. Welcome to my Instagram live session, जो अब तक किसी ने भी इस क्वारंटीन में नहीं किया. Very good evening. I hope all of you guys are at home and safe, or um, you know, a lot of people. Hi Gulshan man, how are you? Hi Aditya, hi Rama. I know that the entire planet and the entire human race is going through something जो हमने आज तक हमारी generation at least, all the people that are alive and thriving haven't witnessed or been a part of. And it's new for all of us. We all have our ways of trying to cope up with it, and whatever you're doing, I just hope you're doing it at home. And अगर आपके घर वाले घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो प्लीज़ उन्हें बताइए कि ऐसा ना करें, because it's unsafe and it could be lethal. The consequences could be lethal. In other news, thank you very much to everyone who's seen my new music video. It's called मैं डूबा रहूं, and it's out on my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen it already, please go to my YouTube channel and watch it. It's a beautifully shot music video, and congratulations to the entire team. We're at around about 3 million views. I don't know, I haven't checked, which is great, beyond my expectations. So thank you audience once again. और आई होप कि मेरी आवाज़ आप लोगों को अच्छे से आ रही है. कैन यू गाइस हियर मी प्रॉपर्ली? स्नेहा, एलन, राज, हैकिंग सोल, यू गाइस कैन हियर मी? कृष्णा राज सेज नाइस सॉन्ग सर, थैंक यू. हेलो एवरीवन, एंड प्लीज़ मुझे बताते जाइए इस कमेंट विंडोज़ में कि आप कहाँ से लाइव आ रहे हैं. And there's a lot of people who've sent me a request to go live with me. So the criteria for coming on this live chat with me is one of the two. Either you've already seen my music video, and number two, after this live chat you promise to watch my music video. So that's my only stipulation. And let's go. Let's have a chat with some of my friends here at on Instagram. My God, there's a lot of you. So I'm gonna try, and मैं कोशिश करूँगा जितने ज़्यादा लोगों से बात कर सकता हूँ उनसे करूँ. लेकिन याद रखिए, आपको मेरा वीडियो देखना होगा या ऑलरेडी देख चुके हो. So what do we have here? Sayani_Saha. Let's do it.
Hi.
Hi Sayani.
Hi. Actually, I cannot believe, is this real? Actually, for the first time, I'm seeing you live. It's
No,
really.
it's me. Yeah, it's me.
Uh,
Hi.
can I take a screenshot, please?
Yes, of
Please?
course. Of course, of course.
It's
ले लिया?
amazing, and I love your voice.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Where are you from?
I'm from West Bengal.
From West Bengal. Oh, কেমন আছো?
Yes.
কেমন আছো?
ভালো আছি, আপনি কেমন আছেন?
আমিও ভালো. আমাকে বাংলা বলতে পারি না, বুঝতে পারি.
See, I'm shivering right now. I
আরে
cannot
don't
believe
shiver.
that I'm okay.
It's me. Hi.
I love your voice. Can you please sing 2 lines for me, please?
मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में, मैं डूबा मैं डूबा रहूं तेरे प्यार में, मैं डूबा रहूं. There you go.
It's
Have you seen my music
lovely.
video? Have you seen my डूबा
Actually,
रहूं?
I say I come to Kolkata regularly. I'm not from Kolkata, but
Okay.
I come Kolkata regularly, and I have nothing to say anymore. But I just
I asked
love
you a question.
you.
Have you seen my music video? मैं डूबा रहूं.
Yeah, of course.
Lovely. Thank you. Please share
It's
it with your
beautiful.
friends.
It's beautiful.
Uh, Thank you so much.
Can I sing two
And
lines for you?
of
Though
course,
I'm
please go
shivering,
ahead.
my
Go
voice
ahead.
is
Go ahead.
shaking. I cannot. लग जा गले कि फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर से जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो, लग जा गले.
Wow, that's beautiful. Wonderful. Wonderful.
Thank you,
Thank you
thank
so
you.
much for singing for me. Thank you so much for supporting me in my music. And take
Of
care.
course.
And speak to you soon. I'm going to try and talk to my other friends and fans as well. Bye, Sayani. So that was Sayani. We had a lovely brief chat, and it's actually this is the first time where I'm taking in videos from my list, because I had no idea that this actually जब मैं last time live आया था, this feature didn't exist on Instagram, so it's not my fault. So we have Poshali _ Munshi. Her name keeps popping up in my comment feeds, so I know she's a fan. And we are connecting now. Hi, but I can't hear you. Now I can hear
Hear
you.
me?
Hi. Yes, of course I can hear you. Hi.
Hello. I
Hi.
can't believe. By the way, happy Bengali New Year.
Thank you. Wish you the same. Wish you and your entire family the same.
I
Hi.
can't believe it.
Your camera is shaking and so are you.
मतलब सब इतना जलेंगे रिलेटिव सब.
क्यों जलेंगे?
आप मतलब मैं अभी कांप रही हूँ seriously.
मत कापिए. सब मुझे मिलके कांपते क्यों हैं?
आप मतलब इकलौते प्यार हो हमारे.
अरे थैंक यू सो मच यार. एंड मैं आपका नाम बीच बीच में पढ़ता
कैसे
रहता हूँ मेरे कमेंट फीड्स में. You keep popping up, so I know that you've been a fan since a while.
थैंक यू.
Most
वैसे
welcome. Thank
मैं
you
सब
for
इतना सोच
always
के
supporting.
बैठी थी दोपहर से, सब भूल गई अभी आके.
सब भूल गए तो आप याद कर लो. No problem. Take your time. I'm here. Even though I'm very busy because I have such a tight schedule and so many meetings. I'm just joking. We are all sitting at home, so please take your time.
वैसे सब जानना चाहते थे कि अब अभी तो लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, अगर
जी.
ये कटेगा तो आप क्या करोगे फिर?
ये कटेगा
मतलब कोई
तो
शो
मैं
या फिर
एक्चुअली अभी हमको 2 महीने क्वारंटीन में डाला है, तो क्वारंटीन को अपने सिस्टम से निकालने के लिए मैं 2 महीने एंटी क्वारंटीन करूंगा, क्योंकि क्वारंटीन में 2 महीने सिर्फ घर पे बैठना था. अभी इसके बाद 2 महीने मैं घर के अलावा सब जगह घूमूंगा.
मतलब एक्स्ट्रा काम.
यस, एक्स्ट्रा काम, एक्स्ट्रा घूमना. बेसिकली घर बैठने के अलावा मैं सब कुछ करूंगा. एंड बहुत सारा खाना ऑर्डर करूंगा बाहर से, क्योंकि अब घर का खाना खा खा के मैं थोड़ा सा बोर हो गया हूँ. एंड जिम जाऊंगा. आई रियली मिस जिम, इवन दो मैंने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा जुगाड़ किया हुआ है. कुछ थोड़े वेट्स हैं, मेरा ट्रेडमिल है, वहाँ पे मेरा टॉवल सूख रहा है. बट या आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू बी आउटडोर्स अ लॉट यार. आई मिस बीइंग आउटडोर्स. सो या. और
वैसे
बताइए.
आप तो मतलब इतना मल्टी टैलेंटेड हो, सबको पता है.
थैंक
हम तो घर बैठे बैठे मोटे भी नहीं होते, क्या करते हैं घर पे, कुछ काम भी नहीं करते.
नहीं,
ऐसे
घर घर पे काम
आपका
नहीं कर
तो
रहे
पता
अभी
है.
आप लोग. झाड़ू पोछा, किचन में खाना वाना बनाना, रोटियां बनाना, हम तो कर रहे हैं अभी. क्या हुआ
एक बार
आपको?
मेरा
नाक में
नाम
दुख
लो।
रहा है क्या? बार बार नाक क्यों पकड़ रहे हो?
मेरा हाथ कांप रहा है अभी भी। मतलब कि कैसे बताऊं सबको। एक बार
कैसे
मेरा नाम
बताइए?
बोलिए।
ये फोटो ले लीजिए, स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए, वो मान जाएंगे। इतना भी अच्छा आप, आई एम
हाँ,
श्योर, कि ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग नहीं करती हैं कि सारे डिटेल्स डाल दें आप।
एक बार मेरा नाम ले लीजिए प्लीज।
पौशाली, ऑफ कोर्स आई नो योर नेम यार। एंड और पौशाली, अभी मेरे
यू
बहुत
नो
सारे
मी।
फैंस मुझसे बात करने के लिए इंतजार कर रहे हैं। सो इट वाज लवली टॉकिंग टू यू, एंड वील कनेक्ट सून। मैं लाइव आता रहूंगा क्योंकि मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा
ठीक है।
काम नहीं है। सो we'll keep chatting, and thank you for supporting me always and my music, and lots of love. Okay,
थैंक यू। लव यू।
bye, love you, bye. So cute, dear. um so you know that beautiful woman who's with me in my music video, मैं डूबा रहा हूँ, she goes by the name of Jennifer. I had requested her to come online, but the problem is कि यहाँ पे there's so many people online that I can't find her. So I'm gonna try and take a couple of more people, and then I will search for her. uh, I did search for her, but I didn't find her, so hopefully this list gets smaller. um, So let's go. Well, who do we have? I am underscore Shreya. We're waiting for I am underscore Shreya to connect. And I'm actually equally thrilled doing this because I have never spoken to my fans face to face on Instagram. So this is kind of cool. Hi Shrishti Singh, I know you also. You also keep popping up my feeds. So I don't know if you sent me a request, but we'll try and get you on also. And it says that we are now connecting, but it's not connecting. In the meanwhile, hey, have you seen my new music video? क्या आपने मेरा न्यू म्यूजिक वीडियो देखा है जिसका नाम है मैं डूबा रहा हूँ? It's out on YouTube. Please watch the music video. It's out on all the music streaming platforms like Gaana and Savan and Spotify and Hungama and all of them. So please watch my song.
Hello,
Please
sir.
listen to my song. Hi, hello. I heard a voice and then the voice is gone. Is this normal? I have no idea. So I'm going to take, oh wow, we have quite a few people online watching me live. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you guys. I appreciate your time. Even though we have a lot of it right now, I still appreciate your time. I'm just joking here. I'm fooling around. And happy girl. Hi Aniket. Hi Shukla ji ki beti. Hi Archie Khandelwal. Please add me. I'm a bit confused as to what to do because I'm trying to figure this out, but so far it was going very well, but suddenly I find myself lost in this web of technology and communication. So here I am trying to connect with, hi,
हेलो
hello,
हाँ जी।
आप बाहर
सबसे
क्या कर रहे
फर्स्ट
हो?
क्वेश्चन मेरा है कि
अच्छा
मैं छत पे बैठी हुई हूँ इस वक्त।
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलेगा।
सबसे फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है मैं आपको क्या बुलाऊं?
मैं आप मुझे क्या बुलाए? आप मुझे आदि बुलाइए।
आयशा,
यस।
पता है मैं आपकी कितनी बड़ी फैन हूँ। मैं अपने फ्रेंड से आप ही के बारे में बात करती रहती हूँ। सीरियसली आई एम सो बिग फैन ऑफ योर्स एंड मैं वेट कर रही थी कि आपसे लाइव मिल जाऊं। एंड मैं आपसे पर्सनली मिलना चाहती थी बट अभी डिजिटली लाइव मिल गई। आई एम
हाय,
वेरी हैप्पी टुडे।
आई एम
हेलो,
ऑल्सो वेरी हैप्पी टुडे।
कैन आई टेक स्क्रीनशॉट?
ऑफ कोर्स।
थैंक यू।
ले लिया?
डन।
ओके। और कहाँ से हैं आप?
मैं अलवर राजस्थान।
अलवर राजस्थान। ओके।
यस।
तो आप होपफुली सिर्फ टेरेस पे ही जाती हैं और बाहर नहीं जाती हैं?
नो,
नहीं
मेरे
ना?
को
वेरी गुड।
एक्चुअली 2 months अराउंड हो गया है अपनी घर की नीचे की सीढ़ियां देखे हुए।
वाओ
लाइक
वाओ।
सीरियसली, आई एम नॉट जोकिंग।
आई नो, हम सबकी वही हालत है। मैं भी अपना लिफ्ट तक नहीं देखा है अभी, ऑलमोस्ट 1 महीना हो गया है अभी। सो ये
अच्छा,
आपके पीछे कौन है भाई साहब जो घूम रहे हैं?
ये ही इज माय बिग ब्रो।
ये बिग ब्रो। हाय बिग ब्रो। से हाय टू योर बिग ब्रो फ्रॉम माय
हाय
साइड।
बिग ब्रो, हाय बिग ब्रो।
क्या आपने बिग ब्रो को मेरा नया सिंगल और म्यूजिक वीडियो दिखाया?
ऑब्वियसली मैं तो दिन में 2-3 बार देखती हूँ, भैया को भी दिखाया मैंने।
थैंक यू सो मच।
आपका लिल्ला भी अच्छा लगा, दिस वन ऑल्सो। पता है, मैंने आपको
अच्छा, फर्स्ट टाइम आपने मुझे अभी अभी देखा खतरों के खिलाड़ी में?
यस
ओह,
यस,
तो आप मेरी न्यू फैन है।
यू कैन से इट। अच्छा, मैंने
चलिए,
पता है आपके लिए सॉन्ग भी बनाया है खुद
अरे
में।
सुनाइए सुनाइए प्लीज।
आपने मतलब इट्स जस्ट लाइक फिर मुलाकात होगी कभी, आपने सुना होगा।
जी बिल्कुल।
तो उसी के में ही मैंने अपने वर्ड्स लगाए हैं, बिकॉज
प्लीज।
आई हैवंट। ओके। तो क्या हुआ, मिले नहीं, मगर है यकीन मिलेंगे कभी। तो क्या हुआ, दूर है मगर कुछ पास भी है। कभी ना कभी तो मिलेंगे कहीं पे, जो करनी है वो बात होगी कभी, मिलने आएंगे हम, फिर मुलाकात होगी कभी, फिर मुलाकात होगी कभी, मिलने आएंगे हम, कभी ना कभी तो मुलाकात होगी। थैंक यू। आई
ब्यूटीफुल
लव यू
यार,
वेरी
ब्यूटीफुल।
मच। लव यू।
आई लव यू टू। और बहुत अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके। एंड
थैंक यू।
कीप इन टच।
आपसे भी
एंड
आपसे भी बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, फर्स्ट टाइम।
जी जरूर। और जब कभी मैं राजस्थान आऊंगा तो होपफुली हम मिलेंगे। टेक केयर,
यस,
स्टे सेफ, एंड टेल योर green t-shirt brother also to stay safe.
यू टू स्टे सेफ।
Bye. Thank you. Bye. Hello. Hello. Okay, Jennifer is here, and I think this is how it works. So, guys, if you have any questions for me, hi Jennifer, how are you?
Hello, I'm good. How are
So
you?
good to see you.
Congratulations on the video.
Thank you. Congratulations to you as well, and I'm so happy, yaar. You know, people are giving it so much love. लोग इतना प्यार दे रहे हैं, and you
I'm
know,
very happy too. I've heard so many great reviews. People are loving it. I'm really happy with it.
thank you so much. And it was an amazing experience working with you. And you're looking wonderful
Thank
in the
you.
music video. Everybody is praising how beautiful you're looking, and everybody loves our chemistry together. So you know, great job. And so
Thank
here
you.
we
It was
have
a
some
wonderful
fans
experience. Yeah.
who want to
Hi,
talk to.
everyone.
Hello. अगर आपके पास if you have any questions for me or Jennifer, please go ahead. If you want to praise us, please go ahead. If you thought our video was not really very good, you can say that as well. Basically, just say whatever you want to.
I hope you guys are safe at home and taking care of yourselves. Thank you so
Yes,
much, guys.
yes. Jennifer, how have you been? Yeah, how have you
I'm
been dealing with this
good.
at home?
At first it was a little shocking. I wasn't expecting at all. You know how it is our lives, and
Of
especially
course.
you, like we're so busy with work and everything, and then suddenly it hits us. Okay, it's in India now, and what to do? And now we have to just freeze everything, and we always have
Yes.
so much like upcoming projects and all.
Of
So
course.
because of that, I just when you just don't realize it's really happening.
I know. It
Um,
feels a bit unreal, no?
yeah, but and then after that, I just decided to focus like day by day, something productive to do, taking care of myself, taking care of a few things that I want to learn and things that I want to achieve in life, even though we are doing it at home. So it's fine. It's all right. I just hope everything gets back to normal soon.
Yes, definitely.
Fingers
I mean, it will
crossed.
get back to normal, but let's hope that it happens soon for the betterment of
Yes.
the world. How's your family? Where is your family?
My family is in Brazil. They're good
Okay.
over there. We have a lot of cases over there, but luckily our country is huge, so it didn't affect
For
my
everybody who
city
doesn't
yet.
know and thinks that Jennifer is Indian, she's not. She's from Brazil. So
Yeah.
there you go. Somebody just messaged saying, I just watched the video. It's awesome. And Jennifer is amazing.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. So yeah, in
What did your
Brazil, like
family
things are fine.
think of the video?
They loved it, especially my brother. He's also a musician, and he wants to record the cover of the solo part, guitar solo part of the song. He loved it. He's like, "Wow, I loved it." It's like his favorite song till now. Like, he doesn't listen much, no, also to
Yes,
Indian
of course, of
songs and
course.
all, but he loved it. He really loved it. He's like, "Oh, I'm gonna record it."
Lovely. I'm actually looking forward to your brother's cover version of Duba.
Yeah.
So Adi Holic Nina asks us, how was your experience shooting in Maldives?
It was incredible. It was always like one of those places you want to go, you know? And when I got the opportunity to work with you and the rest of the team and Gaurav, I was just so excited. Like, so many days we were there, every day a different thing to do. And then I got one day free for myself. And
Yep.
shooting with you, it was just amazing. You're so talented and so natural. It was just so
Thank you.
fluid. It was really
Thank
smooth.
you.
I felt like I was in a vacation.
Yes, that's the idea, no? Like, I think if we all enjoy what we do, it never really feels like work. So I
And it
always
shows
try
in the
and
video. It looks beautiful. It looks amazing.
touch wood, yes, touch wood, and it's getting so much love already from people all over the world. And yes, definitely special mention to Gaurav also because he's somebody who's super, super duper talented. And in fact, we've
Yes.
collaborated on a lot of music videos. But personally, I think Main Duba Raha Hoon is one of our best music videos. And in fact, you know, Jennifer, you yourself have done so many music videos, and I've seen you in so many music videos. But I definitely feel like, I mean, you look fabulous in all of them. But in this one, you're just looking spectacular. So.
I agree. This one is my favorite. And thank you for saying that I look better in this one.
You
But
look the
yes,
best. I mean,
it's
you
my
look great in all of
favorite.
them.
No doubt, it is my favorite. Like, it starts working with you and the team and Gaurav, and then the location. And it was just like a perfect timing. I think it was just a perfect weather, especially our shoot. It was just amazing. We were so lucky.
Yes, absolutely. In fact, we went there during the monsoon. So I was really worried because I don't know if you remember, the moment we landed in the resort, we came in the morning, it was cloudy and it started raining. And I was like, shit.
I think only
Uh,
one day it did rain, only one day. And then the rest was just really sunny, really nice, really pleasant. But
yes.
still, we managed to shoot. We managed to shoot a lot in that day that it was raining. So it was really good. Really, really good. Any questions, guys? They're just like sending heart emojis to you.
Yeah, that's what they're doing. Well,
So
what both
sweet.
of you are missing from the shoot? What are both of us missing from the shoot? Maldives, I think.
Maldives. Yeah, facts.
Yeah.
Really. It's
It's a
so
beautiful
beautiful.
place.
And it was the first time I get the opportunity to do diving, like scuba diving. And it was just amazing. Well, I mean, it was the second opportunity I got, but this time was just like very different because it is in Maldives. And it's just like amazing. Fabulous.
Tital K says, just watched the music video and saw Jennifer with the Brazilian flag beach sarong.
Yes.
Yep.
I did that in purpose.
I know. And it actually looked so nice because, you know, the yellows and the greens, they look so nice along with
Yeah.
everything in the background. So
I just wanted to bring something like about my personality, you know, a little bit, like a little dash
absolutely,
of.
like a personal touch, you know, that's how they say.
Yeah.
What's your age, Jenny? None of your business. She's 16 years old. It's her birthday tomorrow. She's turning 17.
Exactly. You
Her
guys are
English
so
is
sweet.
too clear to understand. Jennifer, your English is so clear that people don't understand it.
Oh, too clear.
Please make it less clear so that
Yeah. I'll make it
people.
more complicated. I'll make like a Brazilian accent or something.
So there's Bollywood Kurdi who's asking if you would like to work together again.
Absolutely. Hire me, boss.
Yes, of course. Me more than happy. Yes. Uh, you know, see, I'm saying this in general. Like your profession is such, especially like modeling and acting. It's a profession where most people they look good, they are fit. It's kind of like the kind of minimum requirements. But what is great about Jennifer is that she's thorough professional. So that's something that
Thank
I
you.
really enjoyed while working with Jennifer. There was no like, oh, she's late, or she's saying she's not going to do this, or she's not. Everything, obviously, we made everything clear beforehand what we're going to do, what we're going to shoot. But at the same time, there's a lot of times जहाँ पे हम लोगों को बता देते हैं, we tell people everything we are going to do, but they come on set and then they start, throwing tantrums, or they start questioning what we are doing. And that's the worst kind of position to be in as somebody who's creating art, because it's your vision, you have something in mind, and then there's so many people. Even though our team was really small and intimate, लेकिन ऐसे बहुत बार होता है that it causes a lot of issues, and
Absolutely.
you're sitting there thinking, why did I cast this woman? So that never happened to us, thankfully. So thank you, Jennifer,
Thank
for
God.
not
Thank you
only
so
doing a
much. I
great
had
job,
no
but
reasons to throw any tantrums because you and the rest of the team and Gaurav also, you guys were so sweet to me. Like,
thank
if
you,
I did throw any tantrums, I would be the worst person.
which you are not. So we are very grateful for that. My friend Avika says, fab job, guys. Avika is a very dear friend of mine, and she's
Thank you,
really, really
Avika.
well-known TV actress who's done some really good, work on television. So Rishabh Jain says we've done a fabulous work together. Thank you.
Thank you.
Uh, and Arib says, may God bless you guys with great future ahead. So
Amen.
thank you once again, and thank you, Jennifer, for joining us on this chat. And I'm gonna take a few more people and ask them their reaction for the music video and song. And in fact, I'm going live on YouTube again tomorrow. So if you're free, I'll see you there
Sure.
for 5-10 minutes
Thank you so much
again.
for having me. Thanks to all of you guys watching our video. And so much love to you guys. Just stay safe and take care of yourselves. And thank you so much, Aditya.
Thank you,
Bye.
thank you. Bye. Take care. Stay safe. Hi, Jonita. Jonita, my dear friend, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you for sharing the song. And come live, yeah. What are you doing here? Why are you commenting in the comment section? Comments are for peeps. You're a homie. Unless uh, you're in your jammies or something. I don't know. Okay, we're waiting for Junita to come online. Hi, Anika. Thank you. Hi, Brown Girl. Hi, Sharma. Hi, MHK. And stay tuned, because I'm going to take a lot of people online. I have at least a good 18 minutes. So I'm going to try and talk to as many people as possible. Uh, Hi, IP Panchal. IP Panchal is pulling my leg. Go ahead. विशाल बोलता है, माँ की कसम है, एक्सेप्ट करो. ओके, आई विल ट्राई एंड एक्सेप्ट, बट आई कांट सी यू ब्रो. मैं देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ आपको लिस्ट में. ओके. Hi, Angel. Hi, मनोज भाई आपको भी बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो. Manoj Yadav is the lyricist of मैं डूबा रहा हूँ, and most of my indie songs. One of the most fabulous lyricists in the country. He's done a lot of beautiful work, for Hindi films as well. उन्होंने I know of Manoj Bhai from the song Madari from Coke Studio, and I was really happy when I heard the song. And dear friend of ours, Chirantar Bhatt, who is again another really talented man. उनकी वजह से हमारी दोस्ती हुई, and here we are. I think we worked on at least, I would say, 10 to 12 songs together, which is fabulous. और मैं इनके साथ जिंदगी भर काम करूंगा अगर ये मुझे इजाजत दे. Super talented, and he keeps writing these wonderful 2-4 line poetries called Muddascope on his Instagram. So please follow him. Manoj Yadav writes, and Jonita is trying to come online with me, but she's not being able to because उन्होंने अपने इंटरनेट का बिल नहीं भरा है. इसीलिए मैं बोलता हूँ. Oh, she's here.
What's up, Ant?
Hey.
Congratulations.
Hey, thanks. Thank you so much. I mean,
How's
it
it
wasn't
going?
planned, this baby, but now that it's here, I accept her, and
Which baby are we talking about?
the one that you're congratulating. What are you congratulating me for?
Your song.
Oh, thank you.
You know,
Thank you for
you know.
that as well. Yeah, yes, my single is released.
Wow.
And I completely forgot. Why is it so
No, but
dark
it's,
where you are?
it's making me
Are you
feel
in a-
like
Junita,
Huh?
Junita, I have to say this. I think you're in a really dark place right now.
yeah. Well, considering I just woke up about an hour ago,
What, really?
my whole schedule has become ulta. I'm like nocturnal.
Amazing. So were you like this
I'm still waking up.
before the lockdown, or have you become nocturnal after the lockdown?
You know, I've had my days of being nocturnal,
Mm-hmm.
but during lockdown, no one can stop me. So every day I'm just up all night.
Wow. And what are you up all night doing? What do you do all night?
So many things, mostly catching up with my family in Canada because of the time difference.
Okay.
So we'll like watch movies together. We'll play Ludo. We should play Ludo.
Oh, we should. Yeah, we should. I mean, that's if you like losing. We should play Ludo if you like losing.
Just wait. Just wait. Guys, what do you think? I'll win or he'll win? These are all your friends. They're gonna say you're gonna win. But I'll win, trust me.
You never know. They might just turn on me, you know?
They might. They might.
Yeah, that's the thing with like beautiful.
People are
and
asking me
good-looking
आप
women.
शादी कब कर रहे हैं आदित्य?
मेरी शादी हो चुकी है. I actually, I just
And you
delivered.
didn't even call me. Wow.
Yeah, this is actually my first marriage didn't work out. So I got married again. And then that lady kind of left me. And now I'm single again.
Wow.
And there's a baby that's popped up. I'm just joking, man. I'm joking. You guys, I
This
don't
is
know.
too much. These guys are gonna think, who is this Aditya? I've never met this guy before. I've never heard this guy
Yeah,
before.
they'll disown me, and they will start disliking my work and my music videos, which is
Yes,
something that I
Kamini
don't want.
BTS Junita will win.
Yeah, I just want society to accept me for who I'm not, and a
We love you,
projection of what
Aditya.
people perceive me to be.
No, the way you are. Just the way you are.
So,
We love
Junita,
you.
nobody is asking the question that they should be. When are you doing a song with me? When are we collaborating on a song?
Is that for them to ask or is that for you to ask? I'm kidding.
That's me
We're already
asking
gonna
you.
collaborate. Of course we're collaborating.
I pitched you a song to work together on, and I remember you ruthlessly rejecting that song,
Kuch bhi.
saying that it's
That
really
didn't
long and
happen,
it'll
guys.
never work, and I'm a failure, and you only work with successful artists. So, yeah, so when is it gonna happen now?
It'll happen as soon as you stop the nonsense. We'll have bellow pops and we'll make songs.
Oh yeah, I mean, hey, listen, don't do it for free. Don't market them for free, because if you give them a review on Zomato, they will give you a free popsicle.
Really?
Yeah, yeah, I'm letting you know. So you order one
What are we
popsicle,
doing with our lives?
and exactly what I'm saying.
This is
I
what
have
we should be
called them.
spending our time.
I have called them from two separate apartments and with two separate IDs just to have one free popsicle each time.
Okay, now who's giving them free advertising? It's okay.
So
We
anyway,
can't deny love.
yeah. So so somebody in the comment section is asking कि जोनीता आप अपना light bill कब भर रही हो?
Every month on time. Was that the right answer?
No, I'm sure he's trying to ask you in context to
Why is
everything
it
being
dark? It's
so.
not that dark here, guys. I don't know what you're talking about. I like the little dim lighting. Okay, it's a vibe.
Yes, absolutely. It's a vibe.
But it's
Then
actually it's not that dark. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Okay, hold on.
no, it's not. Yeah, I'm just joking, and I'm just, this is how I am. You know me by now. I just
Yeah.
hello, my sisters
Sometimes I know
here.
you.
You know Shrishti. You remember Shrishti?
Hi, Tiffany! Of course. How
She's
are
asking
you?
you.
Where? I don't see.
So she's
Huh.
so both my cousins are, one of them is stuck in Lucknow and one is in Siliguri.
Stuck as in against her will? Like she
As
doesn't
in,
want
yes,
to
of
be
course,
there?
because you were quarantined, no? So their flights were scheduled, and then now they're not. There are no flights.
Who are they
Aeroplanes don't
staying with?
exist anymore.
Are they stuck alone like me?
No, they are not. Thankfully, they have family. But yeah. So hi, Shrishti says hi, Janita.
Hi, Shrishti. I hope you're good. Sucks you
So
couldn't get
yeah.
a flight back.
So she's asking you how are you? What are you doing during quarantine?
What am I doing? Oh my God. I'm cooking. I've started cooking.
I know I saw a video of you cooking, and you're still alive. So
That means I'm doing
congratulations.
a good job so far. Yeah.
Good. So as soon as this quarantine thing is done, um, all the playback singers that I want out of the Indian film industry, I will call you and feed them the food that you've cooked. And
Okay,
then
great.
I will be
But
running
that's
a
also
solo
when
host
we work
race.
on our song together.
And then I will be the only artist that you can collaborate with.
See, it's all part of the master plan. Not scary at all. Not at all.
No? Okay, fine.
Guys, this is the real Aditya Narayan.
No, I think
Take note.
I'm getting more and more comfortable being myself in front of my genuine fans.
Yeah, it's
I've
important.
always, I've always been real in front of my friends. A lot of times, it has freaked some of my friends out because that is not how they imagined me to be. But who cares?
It is what it is. I'm glad. I'm glad you're being real.
It is what it is. And in fact, Janita, you've done some collaboration. I heard you rapping. Did I hear it correctly? You were rapping in
Oh
some
my God,
song.
yeah.
You
Yeah.
were, weren't you?
Yeah, I did.
So,
Song called
so,
Aage Ki Soch, guys. Check it out. Check it out.
so
If you want to hear me rap.
Aage Ki Soch, yes, exactly. It's called Aage Ki Soch, and I know about this song because I was searching for my song in one of these streaming apps because obviously I'm full of myself and I have nothing better to do, and and then so I spotted my song in latest hits, and then I spotted another song called Aage Ki Soch which said Jonita Gandhi, and then I saw the
And so
video for
obviously you
it.
clicked on it because my name was on it, like obviously.
And then I saw the video, and you're rapping. So, so I would like to ask you, um, is Badshah's career and Anyways
You're in
career
danger.
still going to be okay after this
You know,
this singing?
yeah, so actually,
And Raftar.
They actually
And
had
Yoyo
Badshah and Raftar, all of them actually auditioned for this part in the song,
Okay.
and we just didn't make the cut, so I had to step in.
Wow. Wow.
So I guess
Wow.
that speaks for itself.
Awesome. Awesome. So as if you weren't making enough money singing for every language in India, now you want to pet pe laat maro for rappers as well. So thank you, Janita, for doing this.
Cheers. Cheers. No problem. That's what I'm here for.
My friend Satakshi says, hi Aditya, when are we catching up? And Junita, love your voice, and Junita's collab will break all records.
How sweet.
So clearly,
Something has to
Junita,
happen.
yes, of course. So congratulations, your bribe has reached Satakshi successfully, and she
I like
has
how you
written
just turn this
whatever
around.
you paid her to write.
Okay, cool. I'm glad. Sakshi, right? Her name's Sakshi?
Satakshi.
Satakshi.
No,
Your
she's
check
a
is in the
genuine
mail.
fan. She's a genuine fan, and yeah, so she's giving you a lot of love.
Thank you. Lots of love right back, guys. Everybody, please stay safe. Please entertain yourselves however you please, but do not leave your houses.
Absolutely.
You'll be fine.
So I shall talk to you later because we can do this privately as well, since we are friends in real life.
Okay, guys. Congrats again. Everybody go
Thanks.
watch his video right now. It's beautiful, beautiful. Okay, bye, guys.
Thanks. Bye. See you soon.
Bye.
That was my friend Junita, who is a wonderful, wonderful musician. There is something on your nose left side. क्या है भाई? भाई sugar क्यों खाया last live chat में? I don't even remember this. I don't remember consuming sugar, but I do consume some sugar sometimes. So, Gulshan, hi Gulshan Madhesia, a good friend of mine. I hope you're well, safe, healthy. Hi Ritika. Hi Aditya Narayan, big fan. And okay, I'm gonna try and get some more people live. The last 7 minutes of this wonderful chat, you know, it's been really fun. This is such a fun experience. अब मुझे समझ में आया कि लोग रोज क्यों दिन में 5 बार लाइव आते हैं, because it's addictive, and who wouldn't want to connect with their friends and fans. Pragya Thakur music. Can I be with you live right now, sir? Yes, of course. Here you go. I am accepting you into my life and into my Instagram. Nehaditya, hi. Okay, that's still a thing. By the way, Neha shared my song today, so thank you, Neha, for and in fact everybody, you know, Vishal sir, Shekhar sir, Salim Suleiman sir, and so many people have shared my song, and you know, Nia Sharma. You guys, yeah, thank you so much for the love. I genuinely appreciate it. You know, I never ask my friends to share my song, so you know, all of them that are doing it, who they're just doing it unconditionally and out of love. So thank you. Manoj Bhai has told me something really important. So thank you. Thank you to all the viewers and listeners of the song Main Dooba Raha Hoon. You know, it kind of feels unreal because it's only been just about 48 hours, and our song is already getting so much love. यार मैं बहुत बहुत खुश हूँ. Honestly, I'm very very happy. मैं इतना खुश हूँ कि मैं मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि मैं कैसे अपनी खुशी को बयां करूं, क्योंकि ये सब मेरा बचपन का सपना रहा है यार, कि मैं बड़े होकर यू नो आई मेक इनफ मनी टू स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग माय ओन म्यूजिक वीडियोस, ताकि मैं जिस किस्म के गाने और वीडियोस बनाना चाहूँ मैं बना सकूँ. मुझे किसी भी किस्म का इंटरफेरेंस ना हो. हालांकि यू नो आई एम ऑल फॉर कोलैबोरेटिंग विद record labels and you know other artists But thank you. I genuinely, Ashu, I'm going to be there in the next 3 minutes. So this is a final thank you to everybody. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद दिल से. Thank you. And thank you for always supporting my music. Thank you for always supporting my videos, and for liking, for subscribing, for commenting. You know, all of this is just a lot of love. So प्यार जताने के बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं. आप जिस तरीके से भी उसे जता सकते हैं, प्लीज जताइए. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम जस्ट एन आर्टिस्ट. तो मेरे लिए व्यूज और लाइक्स और ये सब चीज़ें मैटर नहीं करती हैं. मैं और मेरी पूरी टीम, हमारी पूरी टीम इसीलिए गाने और म्यूज़िक वीडियोस बनाते हैं, ताकि क्योंकि ये दुनिया और ये जो हमारा प्लैनेट है और जो हमारा देश है, ये सदियों तक यहाँ पे रहेगा. It has existed for thousands of years before we were born, and I'm sure it'll exist for thousands of years after we are gone. हमारी ज़िंदगी छोटी सी होती है. 60 से 80 साल, 100 साल, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अगर आपका नसीब अच्छा रहा, आप जीते हैं. So we have a very, very limited and finite amount of time to do the things that we love, and it's the same with all of us. हम जिंदगी भर यही करना चाहते हैं, और हम जिंदगी भर आप तक हमारी कला पहुंचाना चाहते हैं, हमारे गाने, हमारे वीडियोस पहुंचाना चाहते हैं. सो प्लीज कीप सपोर्टिंग मी एंड माय टीम and our little YouTube channel, and not just me, in fact every musician, every artist. I think वो आर्टिस्ट जो ऑलरेडी एक मुकाम पर पहुंच चुके हैं, जो जिनको hundreds of millions of views आते हैं, they of course they need your support, but more than that, the young upcoming talent needs your support the most. You know, a lot of people, बहुत सारे लोग ये बात करते हैं कि अरे हमको बहुत ज़्यादा रीमिक्स या रीमेक्स अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. You know, कुछ रीमेक्स अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन हमारी जो म्यूज़िक इंडस्ट्री है वो बार बार रीमेक्स बनाती है. मैं आपसे यही कहूँगा कि अगर आप ओरिजिनल इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूज़िक को सपोर्ट करने लगें, और जो गाने अच्छे गाने हैं, और जो अच्छे म्यूज़िक वीडियोज़ हैं, and not just I'm not talking about grand or lavish music videos, I'm talking about the hard work. आप जब कोई गाना सुनते हैं, जब कोई वीडियो देखते हैं, आपको तुरंत पता चल जाता है कि इसमें कितनी मेहनत, कितना समय लगा होगा. So please support all young artists, all upcoming musicians, singers, dancers, actors. Go watch plays, comedians, stand-up artists. Please support them. Right now we can only support them from home, लेकिन जब भी ये क्वारंटीन ख़त्म होगा, क्वारंटाइन जो भी बोलते हैं इसको, ये ख़त्म होगा, step out, watch your favorite artists, support your favorite musicians, dancers, actors, actresses, female singers, songwriters, because do remember that जब हमारे दुनिया पर संकट आया, और जब हमारे दुनिया में ये pandemic आया, everybody turned to artists and art. So on that note, thank you once again for all the love. बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. And this was in fact a lot of fun. And Saxena, Amit, if you think this is whatever the hell you've called this word, you are most welcome to leave my chat, buddy. Nobody's forcing you. Wish you and your family lots of love and blessings, and I hope that you're safe. Hi Stuti, hi Bagga, hi Shrey, hi Shivang, hi Alavya, hi Prachi Cutie, Pixart, Ananya, Kausar, Rohit, Ayush, Rajni, Tejaswini, Sakshi, Isha, Anika, Diksha, Vishakha, Vaibhavi, Myra, Avni, Fuad. Thank you all for joining me on this chat. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe. Lots of love. Bye.